In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Wix site to start over. If you've been experimenting with layouts, colors, or sections, and want to roll everything back to where you began, this walkthrough will show you the fastest way to do that directly inside the Wix editor and then publish your clean slate. Start by opening your site in the Wix website editor. From your Wix dashboard, choose the site you want to work on and click Edit Site. The editor will load your pages, header and footer, and the top toolbar where you'll find the controls we'll use. Look to the top bar of the editor for the undo icon. It's the curved arrow pointing left. This is your reset lever. Click it once to undo your most recent change. You'll see the canvas update immediately. If your goal is to return all the way to your starting point for this session, keep clicking undo. Each click moves you one step back through your edit history. Continue clicking undo as many times as needed until the site looks like it did before you started making changes. Take your time here. After a few undos, pause and give the page a quick scan. Check your header, sections, text, images, and the menu to confirm that unwanted edits are disappearing. If you go one step too far, use the redo arrow, the one pointing right, to move forward again. The idea is to land exactly where you want your new beginning to be. As you roll back, remember that edits can exist across multiple pages. If you've made changes on other pages, switch to those pages in the left panel and keep using undo there as well. You're not creating anything new in this process. You're simply retracing your steps until the site reflects your original state or the point you want to restart from. Small tip. Undo works per editing session, so steady, deliberate clicks help you see each reversal clearly and avoid overshooting. When your site looks reset and you're happy with the fresh baseline, it's time to make it official. Go to the top right corner and click Publish. Wix will confirm that your changes are going live. Publishing pushes the reset version to your live site, so visitors see the cleaned up design. If you still notice something that needs rolling back, you can pop back into the editor, use undo again, and publish once more. That's it. You've opened the Wix editor, used undo to step back to a clean start,